Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for everyplate. Now, if you're not familiar, everyplate is a meal delivery service. Now, they give you options. You can choose 2 servings, 4 servings, and anywhere from 2 to 5 meals per week. Now, you can order, like, let's say you do 5 meals, but you really want 7. So when you're choosing your meals, you can add extra meal. So you can get a full 7 days if you like. Now, they average out to about $5 per serving, which is a bit cheaper than a lot of the other meal delivery services out there. We've been very happy with it so far. This is our 3rd box, and I am excited to see what I ordered. Of course, I forgot. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It is an insulated bag. Now, let's see. Oh. If you are interested in trying everyplate, I can get you a free box. If you are interested, let me know in the comments down below, and I will give you the code so you can redeem a free box. And that's what it looks like when you open it up. There's a tray inside there. So here is my tray, and underneath you will find your ice packs and all of your protein. So here are my chicken legs, bacon, ground beef, and another ground beef. Now I'm just going to put that right back in there. Now they include almost everything you need. All you need to provide is like olive oil, butter, flour, milk, things like that they may require. But other than that, they send everything. I have milk. I'm guessing that's a jalapeno. I have sour cream, ground paprika, onions, potatoes, buns, lots of potatoes, onions. They send you even little packets of honey, and here's the cheese, and my shoulder's dirty. Okay. Oh, it's from carrying the box inside. Okay. There's garlic in here. They even give you beef stock, chicken stock. There's everything in here. Peppers, garlic, carrots. So on your recipe cards, you're going to find what you need from the tray and then how to make the dish. They usually take about 30 minutes-ish. Some go a little bit longer and some are a little bit quicker. So the first thing I chose was caramelized onion burgers, beef and rice fiesta skillet, loaded baked potato chowder, and then roasted lemon chive chicken legs. Now, we have liked everything so far. Everything has been very tasty. It's been easy. It's on time every week. It is on time. I get my shipment every Monday without fail. They are very consistent with their service, with their email messages, with when it's time to choose your meals, if you want to choose them. They'll go ahead and choose 4 meals for you. If you don't want those meals, you just say choose meals, and it opens up a whole menu where you can choose a bunch of stuff. And you can add extra, you can even add meat, you can switch out your proteins. The options are really, really nice. But yes, we've been very happy with it so far. If you would like a free box, just let me know in the comments down below and I will provide you with a code that you must use within 30 days. That being said, I am so glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day and I will see you soon.